Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to lock albums in Gallery on your Samsung Galaxy device. So let's say you have a photo album which you don't want anyone to see and you want to lock it. So here is an example. I've got my WhatsApp image and I've locked it basically. So in order to open this, I need to go ahead and enter in my PIN or my fingerprint, and then I'll be able to open that WhatsApp album. Now this is really good as it basically locks your album and it basically locks it from anyone who's trying to open it. So let me show you how to do this. So in order to get this lock feature, you want to go ahead and tap on menu, then tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see about gallery. And here you need to go ahead and tap multiple times on the version number. Once you do this, you'll get a message here saying Gallery Labs has been enabled. This will turn on a secret menu called Gallery Labs. Go ahead and tap on this. Turn this feature on and then scroll down, and then where it says One UI 5.x, you'll see the album entry lock. So album entry lock with lock screen credentials. So go ahead and turn this feature on. Now you want to go ahead and close gallery, open gallery again. And now you want to go ahead and find what you want to lock. So here I want to go ahead and lock the download folder. So I'll go ahead and long press on this, and then I'll tap on more, and then I'll tap on lock album. Once I do this, there's a padlock on that album, and that means that this album is now locked. So it adds extra privacy without installing any third-party apps, and is straight from Samsung itself. So there you go, guys. That is how to lock albums in your gallery on your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.